kajeng nang board ki kali na kawi kasnam sa kawi kasnam. Bat kumjuru kajeng Pyndonkam ya ki kali private ni ki kali shimat aka Jaka ban Pyndonkam ni ki kali Kamai kilong ki katungan ni ki daw ki wan ra jeng Sahkut kali bat kajeng Kamai kali nang ba Shillong. Ia kani lapan pau do ba ikhar marki ubalong uskat ribat director Jaka Urban Affairs Jaka Sokar Jella. Habakran na kajeng pli ki monorem na kamenta ban sna ki serok na Shillong sa New Shillong Township. Uba karmarki ula banrapru uba kajeng bamla bat penhe ya ki sorok aganong ba Shillong bat kajeng bamdon jong ki Jaka sange kali ni ki Jaka penyang kali ni ki parking ki babiang kawan ra susu ya kajeng khamnya bat ka penlong ya ki breu bagian penyang ya ki kali ha ki Jaka ki bakhamnya.
We realize that even now we are facing a lot of congestion, a lot of problems while traveling to and fro. The problem is that there's always that vehicle growth is increasing year by year. At present, we are experiencing around 47% increase, a 70.47 increase in the growth. Even registration of new vehicles also is increasing. People are purchasing new cars, and that is taking place at 47%, which is very high. And the use of private vehicles instead of public transport, instead of public mode. This is what is causing a lot of traffic congestion in the existing city, especially in Shillong. All of you are experiencing this. And the riderships also is increasing, where people go up and down frequently. Then we have also the problem of expansion, the land problem. We cannot expand the existing road. That is visible, and all of us know that. And the lack of parking space. Even the roads are being used for parking. So that is reducing the width of the road. And above all, you have also the street vendors, the vendors sitting even on the roadside. That adds to the problem. Then there's no identified or embankment and disembankment places where vehicle can park. They park randomly anywhere and everywhere. So this is what is happening, especially in Shillong City, and it's going to happen in other cities also, in other towns also. And it is something that is getting to all of us day by day. Kita maksudnya ini kan yang lagi khamnya antara Shillong, nakata lagi pembangunan dunia kesurok, but kecil pun kikali, bahan naman kasing iyo kikali bertemai.